So if you're using Mailchimp, Klaviyo, any other email marketing system, and you actually want to create more dynamic email marketing like this, then I'm going to show you now in this quick tutorial on how to create animated GIFs and pull them in so that you can have something that's a little bit more effective like this for your email marketing next time you send it out. So any software that you prefer to use, if it's Adobe or Canva, whatever software where it can create an animated GIF is fine. I'm going to use Canva today with Mailchimp. You do need an account for both of these in order to use it. What I would say about Canva is you are better on the paid version purely because you can determine the size of the download. As you'll see in this tutorial, just to give you that example, when you download on a free version, the image quality isn't that great. So, you are better if you're going to use Canva to maybe do the paid version just to get that quality of header and that quality of graphic. So let's get started. You just need to create a campaign as you normally would in Mailchimp. I'm just going to go to regular email campaign and just fill these elements in at the beginning just so we can get to the design side of things. And as you work through this, just, what I would say firsthand is just have an idea for what you actually want to animate. You don't have to animate everything in the email. It can be a little bit fussy, and also download times can be a bit of an issue for someone receiving it. So, think about what you're animating for and why. It could be that you want to do the header and then everything else is static apart from maybe a link to a product, for example, or a blog, something like that. So yeah, just think a little bit about what you want to animate first, and you don't want to do it all singing or dancing. So we're just going to get a basic template here, and I'm just going to remove the logo bit there and just add an image block in, because this is where we're going to put our header. I always set it edge to edge, okay, and I think I'll just put a couple of image blocks here as well, just so we can animate a couple of images. Right, so we've got a bit of a template there. We're going to drop some animation in here now. So if we go to your Canva account and just go to email header, it gives you lots of different templates and things that you can use. I'm not going to do a Canva tutorial in this session. There are plenty of great videos on YouTube for you to have a look at. I'm just going to take an example. So let's take this one here. We'll just remove the background because it's paid. And yeah, we've got some elements here that we can edit and animate. So I'm just going to animate this line here. Maybe have it going that way. We'll do the same with this one. And then on the text, we'll just do, again, something a little bit different. Maybe have it bouncing in as well. You can add your logo, do things like that, and then just try it. Make sure you're happy with that. That's going to be our header for this particular email campaign. So just go to share and download. Make sure that you save it as a GIF. So as you can see here, on the free version for this purpose, and you can see I can't do much with the size of it. So when I do download that, you'll be able to see when I upload it to Mailchimp that the quality isn't that brilliant. Okay, so if we just go to adding it into this main section here, and it will open it up for us. You can see that it works well, it's slightly pixelated, so the quality of this isn't great. But if you're on the paid version, you can really move that to about 980. That's a really nice size, gives some clarity on it. So yeah, that's how you would introduce a GIF and some movement into an email campaign. You can also do this in Klaviyo as well, but you just need to make sure the quality is pretty good. So again, we've got a couple of boxes here. Let's just say, for example, we want to put some product images in here. Just go to Instagram, straight away will give you a square. And then again, you can kind of look at some of the templates that's already available. You can add a little bit of video in. What I would say with video is keep it condensed to about 5 seconds. That's just enough to run in Mailchimp. If you upload it and find that Mailchimp doesn't like it, just keep working on it to see if you can get it to a good size and resolution that it will perform. I do have clients that do have little bits of video in their email marketing. It's not the be all and end all. There's a nice bit of movement in there. It's not necessary. And I certainly wouldn't add it if it's not doing something. So a client, for example, will use it to show how a product is attached and detached from a bike frame, for example. And that's just a quick, nice 4 or 5 second video showing how that works. So you can add video if you want to. I'm just going to, let's just say, We're going to have this image here. That's the product that we're selling. We can animate the text. We can do some kind of little drift thing. We can do a bit of a pop, you know, do whatever you want with the content on here. Yeah, there's lots of things you can be doing with stuff. We'll just test it. So again, we've got a bit of animation there. And again, you would download it as a GIF. Change the size if you're able to, and that will download it, and we can then use it in here. And as with anything, you know, you can link these to particular pages, product pages on your website and things like that. You can see how that will look and how it will work together. So what I would say is definitely, you know, look at adding animation to your email marketing. Make sure the quality is really, really good. If you're going to add video, make sure it has a purpose, because, you know, it can slow it down when it goes through email systems. And just give it a go. I think it adds a bit of dynamic about something, and it's well worth giving it a try.